So what lesson that you learned or that you can share with other entrepreneurs about partnerships or compared to going it solo?
I love that question. I love it. So I think when I first got started, I thought, okay, in order to be successful, I have to have 100% of the pie, right? I don't care how small, how big the pie is, like I want everything. Well, then I realized like I don't like doing a lot of things in business. I like personal branding, I like podcasting, I like speaking, I like sales, I like a little bit of marketing and all that stuff, but that's only like a little bit of the entirety of the business. You can hire people for those other things, but they're not going to have the same ownership over those departments as somebody that's a partner in the company. So I own other companies as well, to where I give equity out now to employees or have investors buy in because they have something that I don't. But in the instance of Hite Digital, I realized I'd rather have a smaller piece of a much bigger pie,
Hmm.
find the right people, right? The biggest thing about partnerships, because I've had one or two that have failed, is you have to align on core values, and they also have to have strengths in areas that you have weaknesses.